So hi, I'm Adrian here with Priceless Realty. Let me just give you what's gone on in Fort Myers over the last week, for the week of May 15th. So that's today, Monday. So I just took a look real quick here to see how many homes we have listed for sale. We have 1,825 single-family residences. That's slightly up from what it was about 2 weeks ago, which was 1,802. What I always look at is this box right here. This is a 7-day residential. So new listings, 129 new listings came on. Like we saw in Cape Coral, the pendings actually outpaced the new listings by 2, so it's not a whole lot. The reason why I think that is that we're not seeing as many homes come to the market right now because traditionally we're starting to move out of season, and sellers may think we don't get as many buyers in town, which is not necessarily true, because I actually sell more out of season than I do in season. One of the biggest things we're seeing though is a continued increase in price decreases. We had 292 that had a price reduction in the last week. That runs about 16% of the market, so that's a little bit on the higher side than what we're seeing over the last couple of weeks. So some issues obviously we're going to be facing right now as we go out of season is not necessarily I don't think we'll see less buyers. I generally find that we get the buyers who are down here this time of year are actually more interested in buying a home than actually physically looking, just because the weather's nice and let's go look at houses. So one of the things we've noticed, obviously interest rates are still on the rise, unfortunately, because the Feds are still seeing that we're seeing that the rate of inflation is still going up, or it's not gone down as much as they thought they would. So there's a question as to when we'll see a reduction in rates. We don't have any idea when that will be right now, because obviously the T-bill is what mortgage rates are based on. That's been on the rise in the last week or two. Some of the reasons related to that is issues going over there in the Middle East with the price of a barrel of oil, because unfortunately oil affects everything. Transportation costs go up, our gas goes up, so you probably will see that we'll probably see rate of inflation may tick up again, which means the Feds are less likely to reduce rates. So we've got that bit of an issue going on here, but I just thought I'd just show you for what happened the week prior to Monday, May the 15th. A number of listings came under contract. We had 31 that went pending, but we are still seeing an increase in number of price decreases. So we're definitely not in a seller's market, we're in a buyer's market, and I think that will continue for some time. If you have any questions related to real estate market, I have about 22 years full-time selling here, both on the buy and selling side, so I'm pretty familiar with the area. So reach out to me and hopefully you find this of interest.